Then we have educational websites. Educational websites are your university and school websites, the websites that you use for looking at the tutorials. You might have seen the training websites, and nowadays we have online classes and degrees going on. And apart from it, we the instructors we use websites to enhance classroom teaching by publishing the course material on the website. For example, we publish the course materials, grades, and everything on Moodle. So that is also an educational website. And then we have business, government, and organizational websites. So, any business website that you came across in your daily life, for example, whenever you do some online shopping, it might be to create awareness among people from where to buy, what to buy, and it all can also be for the to publish the to sorry not to publish to sell to do the buying and selling of their business items. And then we have government websites, all the websites that end up with .gov. These are the government websites. Nadra has a government website. You can apply online. You can look for the status of your ID card and your passport website, and taxation websites also comes under it. And then we have blogs. Blog is a short, um, it is it can be a video blog, it can be in a text blog. A blog it is known as a web log, or it can simply be known as a blog. It is an informal website because it has not something you can say it is it cannot be any sort of very informative thing. It is a it can be written by anyone. It consists of some time-stamped articles, or it can be a post by you, by me, in a then we have if it contains a video, then it is known as a video blog. You can never say that a blog is the perfect thing. It usually reflects your interests, opinions, and personalities of the one who is writing it. And the one who is writing is known as a blogger. And the video blog, if it contains some video, it is known as a video blog. Okay, you can have your personal blog, you can have a business blog, or a teacher can create a blog to collaborate with other teachers or students, or you can create your travel blogs to share your personal lives with your friends, families, and other people. Then we have wiki and collaboration websites. So there is a difference between a wiki and a blog. Blog is a tool for publishing and sharing messages, whereas a wiki website, it is a type of a collaborative website where everyone can collaborate to create, add, modify, or delete the website content. With you might have seen the Wikipedia, so anyone can edit it. A wiki document can be any article, it can be any document, and a long article, short article. But the thing is that they are collaborative. Anyone can collaborate, so they are usually public, accessible by everyone. And you can also create a private wiki website. So the contributors of a wiki, usually they have to register before adding or editing the comments, whereas to view you don't have to register it. So there are some other collaboration websites, they may enable users to share and edit any sort of things, documents, photos, etc. Then we have health and fitness websites. So there are many websites that provide the latest information about medicines, medical, nutrition, exercise information, so that you can publicly access them. There are some websites that can let you know about the detail of any disease that you write, and then it will give you the detail of that prescription symptoms, sorry, not prescription, symptoms, and the cure and remedies, etc. So the websites that include lab test results, prescriptions, doctor visits, allergies, hospitals usually use them. So doctors use web to assist with researching and diagnosing. Usually in the hospitals, they Google it for this purpose. And then we have science websites usually that contain information about astronomy, physics, and space. NASA websites are usually the considered the science website, come under the category of science websites. Robotics and other branches of science, they also come under this category. Scientists usually use these websites to do some collaboration on the web, and they may ask the people to do donations so that it can be their research can be supported. And apart from it, you can use these science websites to explore about the different fields of sciences. And then we have entertainment websites, all sorts of entertainment websites that have any medium of entertainment like music, videos, games, sports, that involve you in an engagement and enjoying environment comes under the entertainment websites. For example, YouTube is one of the very good entertainment website. Then you can use some these websites for viewing the content. Apart from viewing, you can stream. These websites sometimes also support streaming. Streaming is actually the process in which you can view the file while it is being downloaded. So you can listen to any audio and a video, and while it is being downloaded to your computer. So sorry. So Netflix is also an entertainment website. So any website that has some sort of entertainment comes under this category. And we have banking and finance websites. So online banking is very common these days. So we can do all transactions from anywhere as long as we have an internet connection. So we can transfer or funds from one place to the other. We can pay fees, bills. We can transfer funds. We can check our amount in the banks. We can do the payments or any sort of financial activities that we can do with the websites. These websites comes under the finance and banking category. Online trading is buying and selling of bonds, certificates, depositing of money. So whatever involves the finance and money thing is comes under this category. And then we have travel and tourism websites. We can make our travel arrangements while sitting at home. We can um, read the reviews about a certain place. We can compare the prices. We can buy online tickets. We can book the rooms, or we can reserve the flights and cars with these websites. And we have mapping websites, the websites that have up-to-date maps. So whenever you have to search for an address, it will give you the that address. So maps can be displayed. It can be in the form of you might have you explored your mobile phones for those maps. So you can see the 3D vision, you can see the plane, you can see the satellite view, or you can see the aerial view of the streets, buildings, and then these websites also provide the directions. So whenever you enter the start and destination, but it works just like your mapping application, maps application, Google Maps application. So usually work with GPS so that to determine to check where the user is located. Then we have retail and auction websites. So whenever you do some buying and selling on the web, so it is known as it is known as e-retail. So whenever you have to buy something, you will visit the business website, which will contain the product description, images, shopping cart. So whatever you want to buy will be added to the shopping cart. So when you will complete the that shopping, whatever you have to buy, then you will add your personal information and how you will be we will be doing the payment. So, with retail and auction websites, this is about retail. Then we have auction websites. So, on the online auction website, you can bid on any item which is being sold by someone else. So, there comes sometimes the question that is this a safe way to use the financial information websites, that is entering your financial information online. So, we see that there are websites that have an HTTPS written with them, which means that the website is secure. So, as an alternative to entering credit card information, because you don't want your information to be directly entered somewhere, so you can use other online payment services such as PayPal. I think it is not in Pakistan, but it is actually a third party that is that is connecting you and your bank. So it is that account which is linked to your credit or debit card, and it will pay the funds to that website. So whenever you will make a purchase, you will use your online payment service account, which will actually transfer the money for you without revealing your financial information, without revealing your credit card number. So, yes, it is safer to enter financial information online, because nowadays we cannot we cannot go and buy everything from those shops, because buying and selling is going on around the world. So, we can do these buying and selling by sitting at anywhere around the world. Then we have careers and employment websites, for example, Rosie.pk, Jobby.pk, and there are many websites. So if you have to search for the career information and job openings, so you will look for these websites. So they may include training and education, and they may take your CV and they will communicate with your employers around. Then we have e-commerce websites. E-commerce is electronic commerce. So it is a business transaction that will be done over any business transaction done over the internet is known as e-commerce website. So anyone with access to computer, internet, and has some mechanism to pay, it can do the business over the internet. M-commerce is also another terminology used. M is for mobile. It is to identify e-commerce using mobile devices. So there are three types of e-commerce websites, that is business to consumer, consumer to consumer, and business to business. So business to consumer consists of the buying and selling that we do. We are the consumer, and from where we are going to buy the things, that is the company directly, that website. So it is known as business to consumer. Then consumer to consumer is, for example, when consumer sells something directly to another consumer. For example, the OLX sort of websites in where the user sells something to another consumer. Then we have business to business, where businesses provide services to other businesses. It can be, and it will be online. Then we have portal websites. So portal is that website which will offer all sorts of internet services from a single convenient location. So, for example, a wireless portal is a portal designed for internet capable mobile devices. For example, we have a Yahoo portal, we have MSN portal. So these portals have all the services at the same place. Um, these portals also offer free services. For example, search engine is with them. The news will be displayed there, sports, weather updates. There are yellow pages, stock quotes. So just write down msn.com, so you will see all of these things there. And I mean, they might give you an email address option as well. Then we have content aggregation websites. Content aggregation websites, or a web application, is also known as a curation website. So it will allow you to collect and compile content from variety of websites about a particular topic. So it is because, as the name indicates, content aggregation, so it means a lot of content is collected from other websites on a particular topic. and these content may include news, reviews, images, etc. So now you don't have to visit several different websites to see the different content. So they will be you'll be required to visit only one website instead of visiting multiple websites to get the information. Okay, then these were the different types of websites, and now let's see how you create website and how you can manage the websites. Okay, web publishing is the creation and maintenance of websites. You create a website and you upload it so that other people can use it. And then maintenance, creation of website is not just our purpose. We have to maintain it as well. Why? Because the content might be old, content might there might be some missing links, deleted links, so you have to do the maintenance of website so that you can keep your website up to date. So these are some of the steps in developing and maintenance of the websites. So the first step is you have to plan the website before creating it. So you have to identify why are you going to make this website, who will visit the website, and how will they navigate through it. And you will also decide the domain here. Then you will design the website, what will be the appearance and layout of the website, what will be the color, the links, what pictures will be there, animation, audio, etc. things will be there. Then you will go on to creation of the website. Here you will decide which language to use, which software to use, how to make it more sophisticated, which text editor to use. And then you will follow all the steps to all the theme whatever you have decided to create the website in that sequence. And after the creation of the website you have to host it. For that you will require a web server which will give you storage space with some monthly fee. There are some ISPs that will offer web hosting services. And then you will maintenance of the website is a thing that is required for the entire lifetime of the website. So you visit the website regularly to ensure that all the contents are current and the links are working properly. There are no missing links, no missing pictures. So you will create you might be required to create the feedbacks and survey thing so that people can give you the survey sorry feedback about your website. Okay, you might have noticed that on every website there is text along with graphics. There is animation on the websites, audio or video is there, and virtual reality is also there on some of the websites. So let's see what graphics are. Graphic is actually a visual presentation of some non-text information. So whatever you cannot explain with text, you can explain it graphically using some chart or a photo. So these web pages, they may use colorful graphics to convey messages. You see, it is quite boring to read the text of the website. So if there is some graphics, so it will catch your attention. But using big pictures will make it very slow to load the website. So we use thumbnails. So it can be less time consuming. Thumbnail is actually a small version of the big images. Then we have the pictures. See, this is a website. It has this is a thumbnail. This is another thumbnail, the smaller version of that picture. So this is a website. It has usually the pictures, and these are the links, and there's some text here. So these pictures will be in different formats. Format can be BMP, GIF, JPEG, PNG, and TIFF. So then we often use the terminology infographics. uh, Info and graphic, this is a combination of two words, info and graphic, that is information graphic. So whatever you want to represent the information in the form of graphics is the infographic. So you see, we usually use these infographics in our work, which will explain or which will communicate our work quickly. It will simplify the complex concepts, or it will present the pattern or trends. So these are designed to communicate easily. So these infographics will make your life easier to explain your thing. So there are maps, science charts, and diagrams that you can use, and uh, these are different graphic formats that are used on the web. So you can upload your pictures in the BMP format, GIF, JPEG, PNG, or TIFF format. So every format will be different from the other format. So they with the variation in within the quality of the picture, and with few colors with poor quality than the previous format. So you have to see which format that you will be required to use for your work. So animation is the appearance of motion created by displaying a series of still images in a sequence. You see, this is the animation. So it is a still image, but it is the images are appearing in the sequence. So the motion is created in sequence by there's a still image, and one image comes after the other, which feels like that there is some video, whereas it is only the text that is being, sorry, the text or the graphic that is being animated. So websites often use animation because it will be catchy to for the users to have it. Then we have audio on the website, so you can listen to audio clips, live audio. It can be any music, it can be speech or any other sound. So you can simply download the audio files to your devices, mobile device or laptop, computer, anywhere. So you can listen to that content later on. So you can also use streaming audio as well. So these audio files are usually compressed so that the size is reduced. So you can listen to these files using any media player. So the format of the file is MP3 format. So it will reduce an audio file to about 1/10 of the original size, but it will definitely preserve the original quality of the sound. So most of the operating systems today, they have a built-in media player. You don't have to download a new media player. While there are some audio files that however require us to download the media player. We can have video on our website. You can add a short video on our website. We can view a video on the website. So video is also in a compressed format. So video consists of actually the images displayed in motion. So a video can also have an audio with it. So we can upload, share, or view a video on the internet, or you can have your video blogs to communicate with your family and people around. um, there are the format of that video file will definitely be compressed, because if it is in a large size, so it will not be easy for you to download or view it. And then we have the concept of virtual reality. Virtual reality websites use the computers to simulate a real or imagined environment that will appeared in a three-dimensional space. So it will help you to explore and manipulate interactively in that website. So you will actually create a 3D environment with infinite space and depth, and then you will easily interact it. For example, if there is an architecture who has created a virtual reality environment, and you are the buyer, you are going to buy that house from him. So you will walk through those virtual reality rooms by sliding the different rooms, by moving the forward or backward or to the different sides, so that you can explore it interactively in a more better way.